Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we will be discussing a question pertaining to the number system theorem, and it's a very good question pertaining to the last digit of powers. Okay, so I'll show you a few tricks as in how we can go about solving this kind of questions in general, so that whenever we come across a question such as this, we are easily able to solve the same. Okay, so having said that, let us focus on the question here. What will be the last digit of 2 to the power 3 to the power 4 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 15 to the power 3 to the power 5. Okay, now to obtain the last digit of this product, we need to find the last digit of this expression and last digit of this expression and multiply the same, and so that way we can obtain the last expression. Now if we take a look at this particular expression, 3 4 5, so 4 to the power 5, so 4 has a very unique property. See, 4 to the power 1 ends in 4, 4 to the power 2 ends in 6, 16, 4 cube ends in 64, again 4 to the power 4 again ends in 6. So 4's odd powers always end in 4 and 4's even power always ends in 6. Okay, this is the property of 4. So this is an odd power, so this always ends in 4. So this one we can actually write 2 3 to the power 4. Okay, now 3 to the power 4. So notice one thing, how we can go about. 3 has a cyclicity of 4, that is 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 to the power 2 is 9, 3 to the power cube is 27, 3 to the power 4 is 81 or 1. So 3 to the power 4 ends in unit digit 1. So this can be further written as 2 to the power 1, or this one's unit digit will be 2. Okay, so we have attained the first part. Now let us focus on 3 to the power 15, 3 and 5. So this one will be a little bit difficult in this regards, okay, because we have 15 over here. So but let us try and solve this a bit. So 3 to the power 15, so if we continue this, 3 to the power 5 will have 1 into 3 again 3, so 15 cube. Okay, we'll have now 15 cube. Let me see, we cannot continue with the same process in regards to this particular term, because 15 is not a single digit number. So what we'll be doing, we'll simply to find the unit digit, we'll divide it by 10 and find the remainder. Okay, so we'll continue with this process. So this one we can write 15 cube. 15 cube would be yeah, 3375. Okay, mod 10. Now I'm going to be using Euler's in this. Now since 3 and 10 are basically co-prime to each other, so I'm going to be using Euler's theorem in this regard. So Euler's of 10 can be written as 10 into 1 by 2, 4 by 5 equal to 4. Okay, so we're using Euler's theorem, 3375 mod 4. Okay, now for divisibility by 4, we only check the last two digits because that's the rule. So 75, so we know 72 is divisible by 4, so this will give us remainder of 3, because 72 is divisible by 4. Okay, so this results in 3, so we can write this expression now. This particular expression we can write it in this form. Okay, let me write in this way, 3 cube mod 10. Okay, so the unit digit 3 cube ends in 7. Okay, this will be our unit digit for this particular term as well. Now we have two unit digits, we have 2 and we have 7, so let me multiply 2 into 7, that would be 14, or 4 will be our unit digit. So option 2 will be the correct answer. So it's a very good question, a lot of things to keep in mind while solving the same. So I hope this thing is clear to you. The process we have taken, we have simply used an Euler's theorem in regards to 3 to the power 15 term. So I hope all the things said and done are clear to you, and you can easily got the gist of the approach involved as well. Okay, now having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of this sort of questions further down the line, or if you are looking for any kind of solutions of the same, please feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out in all this regards. Okay, now if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, so we'll keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. With all that said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.